Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is SEO Ranking and SpyFu. So let's get started with the breakdown about these two platforms. SEO Ranking combines the Shine as a powerful all-in-one SEO platform built for agencies, freelancers, and SMBs. It offers accurate rank tracking, site audit, keyword research, backlink monitoring, local SEO tools, and white label report, all at a competitive price. Its interface is intuitive and features are reliable for both beginners and pros looking to manage SEO projects from end to end. SpyFu, on the other hand, specializes in competitive keywords and PPC research. Its standout features is the ability to uncover your competitors' most profitable keywords, both organic and paid. You can view historical data, track ad campaign, and analyze what's working for rival sites. However, it's like a full range of technical SEO tools found in the SEO ranking, such as in-depth site audit or local SEO management. And here's the very conclusion about these two platforms. So choose the SEO ranking if you want a complete SEO solution for tracking, auditing, and managing multiple campaigns. And go with SpyFu if your focus is competitive intelligence and PPC keywords research. For full service SEO management, SEO Ranking dominate in 2025. So for spying on competitors and keyword strategy, SpyFu wins in its niche. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this comparison review. And if you find the review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.